Hey everyone, how you guys going? Today's video is all about push-ups for beginners. So if you struggle with those and want to know where to start and how to progress, then keep on watching this video. Now push-ups is an absolute must-do exercise in your workout routine, and nothing's better than the easiest variation of push-up, and that is your wall push-ups, right? And that is where I would recommend all beginners should start from, and then of course progress to harder variations as they grow stronger in the movement. Now do remember that involves a lot of upper body strength, which means together with practicing your push-up, you also want to train your upper body muscles regularly as well, so that you can ensure that you're growing your upper body stronger, which will directly impact on how quickly you progress with your push-ups as well. Now starting position matters quite a lot, so make sure that you pull your shoulders back, chest out, tighten up your core, that is your abs as well as the mid to lower back section, so that you have that nice strong upright posture going on, right? Once you're in that position, you want to extend your arms and place your palms on the wall. Now basically you're standing just about an arm distance away from the wall. Place your arms directly in line with your shoulders and then slightly slide them down. Then rise on your toes and keeping your whole body in one line, drop your chest as well as your face, of course, in this variation towards the wall, right? Now it's important that you ensure that your body is staying in one line and you're moving like a pendulum instead of spiking your hip or locking your hip and just moving the just the torso of your body. We want to avoid that. Or another thing, what a lot of people do is that they spread out their arms quite a lot, which means the elbow goes too far away from your body. You want to keep your elbow towards, like, closer towards your body, so that you can involve your tricep muscles as well to support and give extra strength in that move, right? And of course another mistake that a lot of people do is they lock their shoulders or they shrug their shoulders when they're trying to lower their upper body towards the wall, right? So we want to avoid all of these mistakes, and for that reason it's important that your starting position is nice and strong, and all then you need to do is keeping that whole body of yours in one line, and you would just like dropping your chest towards the wall like a pendulum, keeping the whole body together. Now practice this variation for a few weeks time, and once you're able to at least do about 20 repetitions comfortably with good posture, good technique, that is when you can move to your incline push-ups. Now with incline push-ups, it doesn't mean you have to go all the way to a low platform like a chair. You sure can start with something which is nice and high. Higher the platform is, the easier the variation is, and of course as you grow stronger you can keep on reducing the height of the platform and keep on progressing that way. So here, as you can see, I'm using the rail of my balcony to demonstrate how you can progress from wall push-up to incline push-up. Now the one absolutely important thing that changes with incline push-up is that you want to make sure that you're standing just far away from that platform that you're using, so that you can ensure that your chest actually falls right in between your palms. Okay, you want to stand at a distance so that you can ensure that your chest is literally aligning with your palms as you lower yourself. And again, once you're able to do about 15 to 20 repetitions after practicing it for a few weeks time, that's when you can start to lower the platform that you're practicing them on. Here, as you can see, I have moved on to my kitchen top, which is slightly lower than the rail I had in my balcony, right? So again, keeping that nice tight posture, making sure the whole body moves together in one line. And from there on, the idea is to keep on reducing the height of the platform till you actually eventually reach to the ground. Always remember, if you're losing your posture, losing the technique when you progress to the next variation, then that is a signal that you're probably not ready for that variation. So make sure that you take a step back, keep on practicing the previous variation. So there you go. This video covers the first two steps of you progressing all the way to your regular push-ups. Hope you enjoyed today's video. You got to learn something and you will start implementing these push-ups in your workout routine. And on that note, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay fierce. Bye guys.